everyone, today we are unboxing the Samsung Galaxy Book 4 Edge. Let's dive in. As I take off the lid here, you'll see this message, powered by Snapdragon X Elite. That compute platform, or chip, is the reason the Samsung Galaxy Book 4 Edge is able to be a Copilot Plus PC that can help tackle your AI workloads. But we'll come back to that. Let's actually look inside the box. Right here, we have the power adapter, and underneath the laptop, we'll find the power cord. But today, we are focusing on what I have in my hands here. We are greeted by a beautiful 16-inch 3K dynamic AMOLED 2X touchscreen display. 2X means this display has twice the refresh rate of classic AMOLED screens. This display is also equipped with anti-reflective cover glass to help you see clearly and be productive, even in bright light. And you can use this display all day. The Samsung Galaxy Book 4 Edge delivers up to 22 hours straight of video playback. That's a lot of binge watching. And if you move down the keyboard here, you'll also see the dedicated Microsoft Copilot key. Since this is a Copilot Plus PC powered by the Snapdragon X Elite series, you can also enjoy Copilot Plus experiences like Co-Creator in Paint and enhanced Windows Studio effects to help you look and sound your best. Plus, if you have other devices in the Samsung Galaxy family, you can easily collaborate between your PC and phone and other Galaxy devices, simplifying daily tasks and enhancing productivity with voice command and AI-driven action suggestions. Somehow, all of that power fits in this slim frame. This laptop is only 12.3 millimeters thin and 3.4 pounds, all while still providing a wide variety of ports, including one HDMI 2.1 port, two USB 4.0 ports, one USB 3.2 port, one micro SD port, and one combination headphone microphone port. Do you want to learn more about the Samsung Galaxy Book 4 Edge or want to order one for yourself? Find out more at the link in the description below.